In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve can't sign into Netflix error. So if you are trying to sign into your Netflix account, but maybe you are getting an error message when signing in, or you can sign in on any device, or you can sign in into one device but not another, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and go to the official Netflix website and then scroll down below here to the help center. So if we go to help center here, scroll down until you get to this option or to this page called fix a problem. For this case, this is account issue. So if you click on this drop down arrow, go ahead and choose this first option, can't sign into Netflix. Now, here you are told if you are having trouble signing into your Netflix account, choose the option that best matches the issue you are having. For instance, if you are getting an error message when signing in, you are told you might need to reset your password. If you get one of these error messages below, then you have to click one of these articles to help you. For instance, if the message is sorry, we can't find any account with your email address, then for this, you need to go ahead and visit netflix.com/login help and then select I don't remember my email or phone and fill out the form and then go ahead and select find account. You have to note that if you are billed through another company or Netflix as part of your package, search the name of the service provider in the help center, open the related billing article and go to the section I'm having trouble signing into Netflix. However, if you're still stuck, you can still get in contact with Netflix and your problem will be solved. However, should your problem be sorry, something went wrong, please try again later, then for this, you're told this error message is common and usually fixes itself after a short time. If the error doesn't fix itself, these troubleshooting steps will help you. And the troubleshooting steps are here. Select the option below that best matches what you are trying to do. For instance, if it is signing in, then you're told there might be an issue with your device, network connection, or Netflix password. To fix the problem, you have to follow the steps below in order for you to be able to fix your problem. You'll need to update or remove saved passwords. That is for mobile only. You'll need to restart your device. You'll need also to clear cookies, and also you'll need to restart your home network. And if that does not still solve your problem, then you need to restart your network setting or reset your password. However, if you are on Apple TV, then reinstall the Netflix app and see if this will solve your problem. You can also go ahead and add or change a payment method. You can change or reset a password or change the email or phone number associated with your account to see if this problem will be solved. But if the problem is there is a problem signing in, then follow these steps to solve this. You're told it usually means that data stored on your device needs to be refreshed. And here are some steps you can follow. One, you can go to netflix.com web browser, and here are steps you can follow to access it and solve it when you open this option, clear cookies, on the official Netflix website. You can also check for any recent email from Netflix. And here you're told if you recently received an email from Netflix stating that we reset your password, then you have to follow these steps to regain it by just clicking on this link. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and reset Netflix app. And here is the process of doing it. You can follow the steps step by step. And last option, you can go ahead and restart your iPhone or iPad if that's the gadget, and by doing so your problem will be solved. So by following any of these steps under help center, you should be able to solve your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.